If you've ever blocked someone on X and now want to unblock them, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to unblock an X, formerly Twitter, account in just a few simple steps. This is a quick but useful tutorial if you accidentally blocked the wrong person, changed your mind, or just want to manage your account privacy a little better. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and social media tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in this. First, log into your alt account. You can do this from your browser or the mobile app, but in this video, we're following the desktop steps. Once you're signed in, look at the left-hand menu and click More. This is where X hides a lot of extra account options, including your privacy controls. After that, click Settings and Privacy. This will open the full settings area for your account, where you can manage everything from notifications to security to blocked users. Next, click Privacy and Safety. This section controls who can interact with you, what content you see, and how your account handles things like blocked or muted users. Now look for the option that says Mute and Block and click it. Inside this menu, you'll see different tools for managing accounts you don't want to interact with, including muted accounts, blocked accounts, and safety-related controls. From there, click Blocked Accounts. This will show you a full list of every account you've blocked on X. Take a moment to find the specific account you want to unblock. If you have a long list, you may need to scroll until you see the person or profile you're looking for. Once you find that account, click the blocked button next to their name. On X, the button may change depending on the interface, but it usually shows that the account is currently blocked. When you click it, X will remove the block and may ask you to confirm your choice. If a confirmation message appears, just approve it to finish the process. And that's it. The account is now unblocked. That person can now interact with your account again according to your privacy settings, which means they may be able to follow you, reply to you, or view your posts depending on whether your profile is public or protected. If you were only trying to temporarily limit someone, this is a quick way to undo that action. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.